Hello everyone, I am Chisom Eze and you're welcome to my YouTube channel, The Roadside Investor, where we provide you with the tools that can help you on your investing journey to financial freedom and personal growth. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for everything that you do. Thank you for watching my videos, dropping comments, sharing my videos, everything. Thank you. And if you're just stumbling on my YouTube page today, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up, and of course welcome to the League of Roadside Investors. Now in today's video we would be reviewing a trading app, and if you have been investing in the global markets here in Nigeria for a while, you definitely must have heard of Bamboo. Bamboo is a platform that allows you to trade global stocks, and in this video we're taking you through the app, so stay tuned because after this video you'll be navigating the Bamboo app like a boss and investing in the global stock market like a pro. If you don't have a Bamboo app yet, feel free to click the link in the pinned comments. As you can see, I'm currently on Google Play Store because I use an Android. If you use an iOS phone, head on to the Apple App Store and search for Bamboo. So this is what shows on your screen. You click on Bamboo and you can see that I have already installed Bamboo. So if you haven't installed it, go ahead and install, and don't forget to leave a 5-star rating. So now let's open the Bamboo app. For the sake of this video, my PN is simple. So this is the landing page for Bamboo. As you can see, very colorful and really interesting to look at. So let's go. The first feature we'll be talking about will be funding. So if you want to fund your Bamboo account, just click on deposit money. Then you enter how much you want to deposit, and let's say you want to deposit $5,000 for example. You can see here that the Bamboo app automatically converts that or shows you what you'll be spending in Naira. At the moment, $5,000 is equal to 2.4 million Naira approximately. So yes, let's click on deposit $5,000. Now Bamboo has a lot of options, a lot of funding options. So if you want to fund with your debit or credit card, you can see the information here. They give you all the information you need. This is the exchange rate at the moment, this is the fee attached, and the timeline. So you're not surprised when you fund and some certain amount of fee is taken. It's supported by Visa card, MasterCard, VerveCard. Like I said, all the information you need. You can fund with your mobile bank transfer. The fee is 150 Naira, timeline, everything. If you want to fund with your dollar debit or credit card, all the information you need is there as well. Same with Nigerian internet bank transfer. Everything you need is there. Pay with barter, high value deposit, that's if you're depositing more than 25 million Naira. So that's basically that on funding. So for the sake of this video, let's try to transfer via Nigerian mobile bank transfer. So I'll click on select. So as you can see, it links you straight to Flutterwave, and you have a bank account number you can pay this exact amount into, and by the time you do that, your money will reflect in your Bamboo account. So let's go back to the Bamboo app. Of course, it's asking for my PIN for security purposes, which I think is a good thing. So yes, now that we know how to fund our Bamboo account, let's take a look at some other features that can be helpful as a stock market investor. Over here we can see the top movers, and it says here that these are the stock making the biggest move today, and this can actually help you as an investor to actually keep up with what is happening in the stock market. Okay, these are the companies that are making the biggest move right now. They're currently all in red though, but apparently these are the top movers for the day. So you can always do research to know what's happening, why are they the top movers, should I get into this action, things like that. So I feel like this top mover section of the app is very, very useful. So, of course, another feature that I think is really important to note in this review will be the learn feature, because a lot of people that are starting to trade in stocks in Nigeria, in global stocks here in Nigeria, are quite new to it. So, it's very important that this learn feature is actually on a trading app, and we have that here in Bamboo app. Um, they have a quick start guide. How do you buy stocks? How do you sell stocks in Bamboo? What type of investment options are available? Can I own multiple assets? Like a lot of questions that have already been answered. So you just have to go to the learn section under the quick start guide to get started. They have a glossary where they try to make you understand some stock market words like sell price, buy price, sell now, market cap, just so you understand some words or abbreviations or phrases that are used in the stock market. And they even have stock market basics for you. If you don't know what a stock is, they have the answer here. What is a stock exchange? What are stock prices, etc. They have beyond the basics. If you're done learning the basics and want to learn other things like earnings calls, shareholders meetings, things that are literally related to the stock market, it's all here for you. So this is a complete learn section. I think if you go through every part of this learn section, you shouldn't have a problem understanding the stock market. So you should definitely take a look at the learn section if you're a beginner in stock market, in investing or trading. So last but not the least, I think the last thing we'll do is to pick a stock and just see how Bamboo tells us a little bit more about that stock. Let's head on to my watch list. I think we have some popular stocks there. Okay, so let's head on to Apple. Okay, so when you click on a stock or you search for a stock, this is basically how Bamboo um, gives you information about the stock. You can see this graph here shows the price variations between or at different points in time. So you can check how the stock has been doing in a 24-hour period or a week period or a month, like whatever or however you want to get your information, your graphical information. Bamboo has provided that for you. They also have their opinion for you. So if you want an additional opinion that can help you in making an investment decision, you can also go through Bamboo's opinion, and you can see here that they literally have a lot to say about the Apple company. So you can just read through and make your decision on whether to buy or whether to sell. So next is stats. These are like statistics. You can see the volume of the Apple shares in the market. You can see the market cap, PE ratio. You can see the 52-week high, and like literally everything you need. It's crazy. The earnings of the company, then related news, of course. So here you see recent news about the company in question, and these are all things that can help to shape your decision on whether to buy or sell at the end of the day. So you can go through the related news to see what is happening in that company at that very point in time. These are just more information about Apple. So if you now decide to buy, you click on buy. whether you want to buy now or buy when price decreases or buy when price increases is all left to you. So if you want to buy now, you click on buy now. If you want to buy when the price decreases, you click on that. If you want to buy when the price increases, you click on that as well. It's as simple as that. So now you know how to fund on the Bamboo app. You know how to get information that you need on the Bamboo app, and you now know how to also purchase stocks on the Bamboo app. As far as I'm concerned, you've been provided with the tools to make you a stock market genius and a Bamboo investor pro. So that's that on this app review. And that's that on the Bamboo app. Pretty easy, yeah? Of course. So go ahead and begin your trading journey on the Bamboo app if you haven't. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please also subscribe if you haven't, and share this video. There are a lot of people that are trying to start investing in the global market here in Nigeria and still don't know that there is a platform for them to do so. Once again, if you haven't downloaded the Bamboo app, feel free to click the link in the pinned comments. Till next time, see you on the other side of financial freedom.